Hi, my name is Eskil Edblad and I'm responsible for the education at Johan och Nyström. Today, I want to show you how to steam the best milk possible and how to pour a cappuccino. Let's start with the amount of milk. A good rule is that you should use as much milk you need for the drink you will be doing. A good example is 2 cappuccinos. Then you should pour up milk to the lower part of the spout. Also remember that the milk you should use should be cold. First of all, we want to perch the steam wand. Now we know how we should be placed. We can start with the steam wand. The first thing we do is to move the steam wand directly up to the surface. Wait there for 6 seconds and then move the steam wand back to its original position. Now the processing of the milk starts with the help of the vortex. The temperature starts to increase. When you with your 3 fingers feel that it's starting to get hot, remove them and wait 2-3 seconds and then stop foaming the milk. If everything has gone right, you have perfectly silky milk that looks like painted color with a temperature around 60 to 65 Celsius. Place the tip of the jug approximately 8 centimeters above the surface. Pour with balanced speed, not too slow, not too fast. Your aim is to marry the milk with espresso. Move the tip of the jug down to the surface. Maintain speed, pour in the middle of the cup. You should now see how a circle is created. Raise the jug 5 centimeters above the surface and move the jug forward through the circle. You should now have created a heart. To check your cappuccino and the other beverages you make, you should think of the following parts: that the temperature is 60 to 65 Celsius, that the texture is super smooth and silky, that you have created an even taste balance, and finally, that you have signed your beverage with a nice latte art. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will help you serve even better coffee.